Today let's have a speaking practice using basic sentences about my town. Using a question, what can you see? I can see a school. I can see a school. School. I can see a hospital. I can see a hospital. Hospital. I can see a restaurant. I can see a restaurant. Restaurant. I can see a cafe. I can see a cafe. Cafe. I can see a bank. I can see a bank. Bank. I can see a park. I can see a park. Park. I can see a mall. I can see a mall. Mall. I can see a police station. I can see a police station. Police station. I can see a pharmacy. I can see a pharmacy. Pharmacy. I can see a beach. I can see a beach. Beach. I can see a hotel. I can see a hotel. Hotel. I can see a post office. I can see a post office. Post office. I can see a museum. I can see a museum. Museum. I can see an airport. I can see an airport. Airport. I can see a zoo. I can see a zoo. Zoo. I can see a train station. I can see a train station. Train station. I can see a bookstore. I can see a bookstore. I can see a gym. I can see a gym. Gym. I can see a pool. I can see a pool. Pool. I can see a pet shop. I can see a pet shop. Pet shop. Thanks for watching.